Some mysteries exist because the universe is strange. But most mysteries exist because humans did something so stupid that even history refuses to explain it. We love to blame aliens. We love to blame curses. We love to blame supernatural nonsense. Because admitting that half our unsolved mysteries were created by accident is somehow more embarrassing than blaming space ghosts. Schools act like these puzzles are ancient and profound. Movies turn them into dramatic riddles. But the real story is way simpler. Some mysteries shouldn't exist. They were created by bad timing, bad luck, or someone who absolutely should not have been in charge of anything sharp or important. Today we are diving into 22 accidental mysteries. Things humans misinterpreted, misunderstood, or made way more dramatic than they needed to be. Some were solved. Some were never mysteries at all. And some are still confusing because everyone involved refused to use common sense. So let us start with one of the weirdest ones ever recorded. 1. The Moving Stones of Death Valley. People love this one because it sounds like the desert is alive. Rocks drifting across the ground, perfect trails behind them. No footprints, no wind marks, just vibes and confusion. For decades, the myth said the stones were supernatural. Ghosts pushing them. Aliens testing their remote control boulders. Some folks claimed the desert itself was whispering them forward. Sure, why not? Let us blame geology with anxiety. The truth? The desert floor floods slightly. It freezes overnight into thin sheets of ice. Wind pushes the ice like a giant slow skateboard. The rocks glide. Mystery solved. It took scientists 60 years to figure out something nature explained every winter. The only real mystery is why nobody bothered to check earlier. 2. The Dyatlov Pass incident. The myth goes like this. 9 hikers fled their tent in pure terror. Slashed it open from the inside, ran barefoot into snow. Bodies found scattered. Strange injuries. Radiation on clothing. Instant cinematic horror. People blamed everything except logic. Secret weapons, mutants, aliens, the Yeti, the Soviet government using the mountain as a testing ground for nightmares. The truth is colder and far more human. An avalanche formed above their tent. Not huge. Just enough to collapse the roof and crush a few ribs. They panicked. They cut their way out because it was faster. They ran. Darkness, cold, and disorientation did the rest. The radiation? Leftover contamination from one hiker who worked at a nuclear facility. This wasn't a supernatural massacre. It was a tragic chain reaction of fear, snow, and bad geography. 3. The ghost ship Mary Celeste. The myth is legendary. A ship found drifting in the open ocean. Crew missing, meals untouched, cabins neat. Like everyone just evaporated between bites. People claimed the Bermuda Triangle reached across the map. Or pirates stole the people and politely cleaned the deck afterward. Or sea monsters swallowed the crew whole like popcorn. But here's the boring truth wrapped in human panic. A cargo load of bad alcohol barrels started leaking fumes. The ship smelled like a floating bomb. The crew thought it would explode. They abandoned ship in a lifeboat. Then the wind changed and pushed the empty vessel along peacefully. The lifeboat did not survive the storm. No ghosts. Just chemistry, fear, and the ocean being the ocean. 4. The Taos Hum. A town in New Mexico claimed they heard a mysterious low-frequency hum. A strange vibration. A drone that never stopped. Locals said it was government experiments. Secret tunnels. Alien machinery under the desert. Theories multiplied faster than logic could stop them. Scientists showed up with equipment, measured frequencies, analyzed acoustics, interviewed residents, found nothing supernatural. The hum came from a mix of industrial noise, air pressure, and echo patterns bouncing weirdly in the valley. Nothing magical, nothing classified. But once people believe a sound is mysterious, every refrigerator, truck engine, and distant generator becomes proof. The Taos Hum wasn't a conspiracy. It was a town discovering what happens when acoustics meet imagination. 3. The ghost ship Mary Celeste. The myth is legendary. A ship found drifting in the open ocean. Crew missing, meals untouched, cabins neat. Like everyone just evaporated between bites. People claimed the Bermuda Triangle reached across the map. Or pirates stole the people and politely cleaned the deck afterward. Or sea monsters swallowed the crew whole like popcorn. But here's the boring truth wrapped in human panic. A cargo load of bad alcohol barrels started leaking fumes. The ship smelled like a floating bomb. The crew thought it would explode. They abandoned ship in a lifeboat. Then the wind changed and pushed the empty vessel along peacefully. The lifeboat did not survive the storm. No ghosts. Just chemistry, fear, and the ocean being the ocean. 4. The Taos Hum, a town in New Mexico, claimed they heard a mysterious low-frequency hum, a strange vibration. A drone that never stopped. Locals said it was government experiments, secret tunnels, alien machinery under the desert. Theories multiplied faster than logic could stop them. Scientists showed up with equipment, measured frequencies, analyzed acoustics, interviewed residents, found nothing supernatural. The hum came from a mix of industrial noise, air pressure, and echo patterns bouncing weirdly in the valley. Nothing magical, nothing classified. But once people believe a sound is mysterious, every refrigerator, truck engine, and distant generator becomes proof. The Taos Hum wasn't a conspiracy. It was a town discovering what happens when acoustics meet imagination. 7. The mystery of Roanoke. The myth says an entire colony vanished overnight. Just poof, gone, like they pressed delete settlement and walked into the void. You have heard the dramatic version. A deserted fort, no bodies, supplies left behind. One creepy word carved into a tree, Croatoan, cue ominous soundtrack. But here's the non-mysterious truth. They moved, yes. They relocated. Indigenous people told researchers this for centuries. Archaeological digs found European tools on Croatoan Island. The carving was literally a note saying, "We went this way." Historians ignored the obvious clue because mystery books sell better than solved problems. Roanoke did not vanish. It changed addresses and nobody bothered to forward the mail. 8. The Dancing Coffins of Barbados. This one sounds like a full horror movie. A family tomb where coffins allegedly rearranged themselves every time someone opened it. Huge stone boxes flipped, rotated, tossed around like they were having an afterlife rave. People blamed demons, curses, black magic, vengeful spirits rearranging furniture out of boredom. But the island is prone to flooding. Water seeps into the crypt, coffins float, coffins drift, coffins bump into each other like slow bumper cars. When the water evaporates, everything looks disturbed. The tomb owners panicked and blamed the supernatural instead of basic liquid physics. It was not ghosts, just buoyancy with attitude. 9. The blood rains of India. For weeks, red rain fell across Kerala. People freaked out instantly. Some said it was a sign of the apocalypse. Some blamed angry gods. Some blamed aliens doing laundry in the sky. Newspapers called it the day heaven bled. Scientists collected samples, analyzed droplets, ran tests, and discovered the culprit was algae spores. Microscopic red spores floating in the air after a nearby bloom. Completely natural, completely explainable. But when you tell people algae turned the sky red, they suddenly prefer the apocalypse. Reality is never dramatic enough for humans. 10. The Green Children of Woolpit. 2 kids allegedly wandered out of a medieval forest, skin tinted green, speaking no known language, claiming they came from a land with perpetual twilight. That alone was enough for people to say, yep, definitely interdimensional travelers. Folklore ate it up. Books turned it into fantasy. Mystics turned it into prophecy. Then historians stepped in with the ultimate party-ruining explanation. Malnutrition. Iron deficiency can tint skin greenish. The mysterious language was probably a regional dialect. The Twilight homeland was a misunderstood description of their gloomy, heavily forested region. No aliens, no portals. Just 2 lost kids and the medieval world's terrible comprehension skills. 11. Crop circles. People saw giant spirals in wheat fields and instantly jumped to aliens. Because of course they did. Perfect shapes. Huge patterns. Overnight appearances? The whole thing looked like extraterrestrials scribbling signatures on farmland. TV specials claimed UFO landing pads. Newspapers used words like otherworldly. Even scientists hesitated for a moment. Then 2 British guys stepped forward, armed with nothing but wooden planks, rope, and the confidence of bored pranksters. They demonstrated how they made the circles in under an hour. In front of cameras. Perfectly. Flawlessly. The mystery was not the circles. The mystery was how people ignored the confession for decades because aliens sounded cooler than 2 dudes named Doug and Dave. 12. The Tunguska blast. For years, people claimed an alien ship crashed into Siberia. Or that Tesla fired a secret death beam from New York, or that a dimensional portal exploded. Because apparently humanity refuses to accept meteor as an explanation. Trees flatten in a perfect radial pattern. Animals vanished. Witness testimonies were dramatic and chaotic. Scientists eventually figured it out. A cosmic rock exploded mid-air, an airburst meteor, no crater needed. The shock wave alone vaporized everything in its path. But because nobody could find the meteor fragments immediately, conspiracy theorists had a field day. The truth arrived later. But people were already in love with the alien version. 13. The mystery booms heard worldwide. Every few years, people report massive sky booms. Windows shake. Dogs panic. Humans immediately assume the government is testing secret earthquake cannons. Or that the world is cracking open to unleash something cinematic. Social media goes wild. Is this the end times? Is a giant creature waking up underground? Did someone drop a nuke by accident? Scientists step in with the least dramatic explanation imaginable. Temperature changes cause shock waves. Atmospheric pressure pops. Military jets break the sound barrier. Sometimes even ocean waves slam into cliffs at the perfect frequency. These booms aren't ominous. They're just the sky clearing its throat. But humans love to turn nature coughing into a Netflix apocalypse. 14. The Nazca Lines. Giant drawings carved into the desert. Perfect shapes. Miles long. Visible only from the air. People immediately said, definitely aliens marking parking spots. The myth says ancient people couldn't possibly make huge straight lines without drones or aircraft. Or laser levels. Or godly geometry. Except they literally could. All you need is stakes, rope, and people who know how to follow a line. Archaeologists recreated the shapes in hours. Perfectly, without even using modern tools. The Nazca Lines were ceremonial pathways, offerings, processional markers, art on a cosmic scale. The real mystery isn't how they did it. It's why modern humans think ancient people were incapable of basic geometry. 15. The Immortal. Jellyfish. People love telling this story like it is some mythological creature. A jellyfish that refuses to die. A biological cheat code. A creature that basically said, no thanks. I am not doing the whole death thing. The myth paints it as a supernatural organism. A glitch in evolution. Proof that immortality exists, just not for humans because of course not. Here is the way less magical truth. The jellyfish can revert to an earlier life stage when stressed. It is not immortal. It just hits the biological restart level button when things go bad, like rage quitting life and respawning. Scientists loved the headline too much, and suddenly it became a mystery of eternal youth. But really, it is just nature's smallest drama queen refusing to age responsibly. 16. The Pyramids' impossible construction mystery. Some people think aliens built the pyramids. Some think lasers. Some think psychic levitation. Apparently, ancient Egyptians were incapable of lifting rocks because the internet decided so. The myth insists the pyramids are too perfect, too aligned, too massive, too dramatic for humans with muscles and engineering skills. But here's the actual explanation. Ramps, levers, skilled workers, a ridiculous amount of time, and the understanding of geometry that literally every ancient civilization had. The mystery is only a mystery to people who can't imagine doing hard labor without Wi-Fi. The pyramids do not require aliens. They require patience, which might be even rarer. 17. The wow signal. Back in 1977, a radio telescope picked up a mysterious blast of energy from deep space. Perfectly timed, clean, strong, so weird that the astronomer literally wrote "wow" next to the printout. And boom, instant legend. People decided it was aliens saying hello. Civilizations contacting us. Proof we were not alone. This tiny data blip became the Beyoncé of radio signals. But after decades of hype, the truth showed up wearing a very boring suit. A passing comet was emitting radio noise at the perfect frequency. Right place, right time. Wrong expectations. The universe was not calling us. A passing space snowball just burped loudly into a microphone. 18. The dog suicide bridge. In Scotland, dogs kept leaping off a particular bridge for no apparent reason. No predators. No cliffs they could see, just full-speed jumps straight down. Locals panicked. Called it cursed, said the bridge wanted sacrifices. Blamed ghosts, blamed spirits in the trees. Investigators eventually figured it out. A combination of strong scent, trails from animals below the bridge, plus the acoustics of the stone funneling sound weirdly. Dogs with strong hunting instincts get overstimulated. They smell something. They hear something. They misjudge the height. And jump. Tragic. Sad. But not supernatural. The bridge was not cursed. It was just an unfortunate intersection of dog psychology and bad design. 19. The SS Ourang Medan ghost ship. Sailors allegedly found a ship drifting in the ocean. No response to radio. Everyone on board dead, eyes wide open, faces frozen in terror. A horror novel at sea. People said the crew saw something unspeakable. Or that supernatural forces wandered the decks, or chemical weapons escaped. Or a demon whale, because sure, why not? Then researchers tried to track the ship, and discovered something embarrassing. There's no record of the Ourang Medan, no construction logs, no registration, no ownership documents, nothing. It was a tabloid invention from the 1940s. Story that snowballed into legend because people love ghost ships more than paperwork. The only real mystery is how a ship that never existed managed to become world famous. 20. The Bloop. Back in 1997, underwater microphones picked up a deep, monstrous sound, loud, echoing, powerful enough to be heard across the Pacific. Immediately the internet said, yes. Giant sea monster confirmed. People imagined krakens the size of continents. Or hidden leviathans waking up. Scientists were confused for a bit. The sound was too organic for machines, too large for whales. Too weird for anything known. Turns out it was ice. A massive ice shelf cracking under pressure. Glacial movement amplified underwater until it sounded like a cosmic creature groaning. No monster. Just Antarctica stretching awkwardly like a sleeping giant. Nature makes weird noises when no one is watching. 21. The 2020 Metal Monoliths. In 2020, random shiny metal slabs started popping up around the world. Utah desert, Romanian hillside, California mountains. People freaked out instantly. Aliens returning. Secret messages. Portal markers? A real-life sci-fi plot starting in the middle of a pandemic. Every time one appeared, someone else spotted another monolith thousands of miles away. The mystery spread faster than common sense. Then the truth leaked out. The first monolith was made by an artist. The second was made by copycats. The third was made by guys with too much time and access to sheet metal. It was not a coordinated alien message. It was boredom, Instagram, and global chain reaction stupidity. A worldwide prank disguised as first contact. 22. The crystal skulls. For decades, these carved crystal heads were sold as ancient alien artifacts. Perfect symmetry, impossible craftsmanship, energy beams, healing powers. If a snake oil salesman could imagine it, the skulls allegedly had it. Museums displayed them proudly. Documentaries swore they were pre-Columbian. People talked about lost civilizations and cosmic wisdom. Then someone finally did something revolutionary. They checked, under a microscope, and guess what? The tool marks came from Victorian-era carving wheels, not ancient hands. Not alien lasers. Just old-fashioned European polishing equipment. The skulls were fakes. Fancy souvenirs sold to people who really wanted magic to be real. The only thing mysterious was how long institutions pretended they didn't notice. And there you have it. 22 accidental mysteries that should not exist. Not because they are supernatural. Not because they are profound. But because humanity keeps turning misunderstandings into legends. Every one of these so-called enigmas came from confusion, bad assumptions, or someone seeing something weird and saying, "Yep, definitely aliens." Humans are allergic to simple explanations. We crave drama so much that even algae, wind, and bad navigation become cosmic riddles. So now I want to know, which mystery broke your brain? Which one made you look at humanity and whisper, "We are not okay"? Drop it in the comments. Like the video if your reality feels slightly shaken. Subscribe if you want more chaotic history, misunderstood science, and accidental nonsense. Because at the end of the day, the universe is not mysterious. We just keep interpreting everything wrong at maximum volume.